Should be good.
So I need to skin the doors today. So I'm going to be putting the ACM panels on the top part of the door, and then I've got some aluminum tread plate or diamond plate to go on the bottom half of the door. I already did the front door, so I'll show you that. It turned out really nice. So we're going to come up. This is just like a real flimsy thin piece of aluminum for the kick plate down here. We're actually going to come up about 24 inches with the diamond plate to add some more protection to these doors for when you're loading in and out equipment or whatever. So we're going to do that. I've got to take off all of these nuts on the backside and all of these screws to pull this wood panel off, and then we'll replace it with the ACM. Just look at the front door that I just finished. Got the ACM white panel and then the aluminum tread plate, the ATP for the bottom. It turned out really nice, makes this door look super nice. So I insulated the doors with 1-inch thick foam. This panel is gonna go right there. We'll fasten it down and then cut the diamond plate to overlap this about 1.5 inches or 2 inches maybe. So get that fastened down, then we'll put the frame back on. Here we got one door done. Get it. Looks really good.